Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. Now, mastering our vocal registers is a huge part of learning how to sing well. There are two ways to define our vocal registers: by changes that happen in the vocal cords and by changes that happen in the acoustics. Now, chest voice and head voice is generally more of a description of sensations. You will pretty much feel chest voice in your chest and head voice in your head. If you take your hand and you place it on your chest and then you go, you will find the lower notes, you will feel the vibrations in your chest, and the higher notes, you'll feel the vibrations in your head. Now today, I'm focusing on head voice, and I'm going to be giving you a quick daily head voice workout. Now, head voice is the higher register. The vocal cords lengthen and thin for higher notes. Just think of a guitar. As you start to play higher, you will notice that you have to use thinner strings, and the voice pretty much works in the same way. The head voice, the dominant resonator is the mouth chamber, and the dominant muscle involved is the CT muscle, which is the cricothyroid muscle. Now, it's important to have head voice in your singing voice for vocal balance, especially if you want to have freedom to sing higher notes within your vocal range. If you think of the voice as weighing scales, you've got chest voice over here and head voice over here. If either one of those vocal registers is more dominant than the other, then there are going to be imbalances happening in the voice, which can really hinder your ability to creatively express yourself as a singer. We don't want that. We want you to be able to sing with freedom. We want you to be able to creatively express yourself through the songs you're singing. But if you are finding that chest voice is more dominant, then these exercises are really gonna help. They're really gonna help to encourage more head voice resonance into the voice. And if your head voice is fine and you just wanna give it a bit of a workout, because it's good to give our head voice a workout sometimes, then that's also good. You're still gonna find the exercises beneficial. So yeah, let's do the exercises. First exercise, lip trill. Now, lip trill is amazing because it's going to allow us to get into our head voice with ease. It alleviates tension and pressure from the voice. Lip trill, one of my fave exercises, so let's do this. You can continue on. Make sure you're inhaling through your nose. Being mindful of airflow. Staying nice and relaxed. Only go where it's comfortable. If it feels uncomfortable at any point, stop. Just going to do a couple more. Good, one more, then we're gonna come back down. Only do it if it's comfortable. And then you can join back in again when you're ready. Good, keep it going. Keep being mindful of your airflow and inhaling through your nose. Bringing it down. Good. That's it. Well done. You can carry on. Inhale through your nose, not your mouth. Focus on your airflow, be mindful. Only go where it's comfortable. Gonna do just a few more. If it feels uncomfortable, then stop and join back in when we come back down. Only do this if it feels comfortable. Don't push it. All right, back down. If you did stop, just join back in when you're ready. Good, we're bringing it all the way down. Inhaling through your nose. Good. Almost there. Last one. And next one is coo coo coo, coo coo coo, coo 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 coo, coo 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 coo. You can continue on. Only go where it's comfortable. Good. Stop if it feels uncomfortable. Bringing it back down. Good. Good. So that's it for head voice. I hope you found it helpful. Give the exercises a try. Let me know how you get on in the comment section below. If you want more exercises like this, then download our Voice Savvy app, which is available on the App Store and Google Play. We have so much free content on the app for you. We have vocal workouts and challenges, and we have live streams, etc. So yeah, really get the app. It's really going to be beneficial for you. If you're new to this channel, thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with anyone you feel is going to find it beneficial. But that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, I will see you soon.